An 8-ton orca just entered the Amazon River. Its cells are swelling. Its kidneys are failing. It has 96 hours to live. I'm tracking every biological system as the ocean's apex predator enters fresh water. This isn't migration. This is biological suicide. What kills it first? The answer isn't what you think. This is Habitat X. To understand why this orca is dying, we need to understand what makes it perfect for the ocean. An orca is a biological masterpiece, engineered for salt water. Every cell in its body maintains a specific balance: high salt concentration inside, high salt concentration outside, perfect equilibrium. But the Amazon River? Zero salt. And that's where the nightmare begins. This is osmotic shock, the deadliest invisible killer in biology. In salt water, the orca's cells are stable. Salt inside matches salt outside. But in fresh water, that balance shatters instantly. Water molecules rush into the cells, not slowly, violently. The cells begin to swell, like balloons filling with water. First the blood cells, then the organs, then the brain. The orca's kidneys were designed to remove excess salt. But now, there's no salt to remove. The kidneys are pumping fresh water through a system that needs salt to function. Within 12 hours, the kidney cells start to rupture. The filtration system collapses. Toxins that should be removed start accumulating in the bloodstream. This orca is being poisoned by its own waste. 24 hours in the Amazon, 72 hours remaining. The orca has a second problem. It's completely blind. In the open ocean, an orca is a precision hunter. It uses echolocation. High-frequency clicks bounce off prey and return as echoes. The orca builds a 3D map of everything within a kilometer. Crystal clear water, perfect acoustics, surgical precision. But the Amazon River is liquid mud. The water carries tons of sediment, agricultural runoff, decomposing vegetation. Every sound wave hits particles and scatters. The orca's sonar returns are white noise, static, chaos. It's like trying to see through a sandstorm. Every echo is distorted. Every sound is wrong. The orca cannot hunt. It cannot navigate. It cannot communicate with other orcas that aren't here. In the ocean, this predator can detect a fish heartbeat from 100 meters away. Here, it can barely sense the riverbank 10 meters to its left. The apex predator of the sea is now swimming blind through alien water, lost, disoriented, and starving. 48 hours remaining. The orca is burning through energy at double the normal rate. The Amazon River is 30 degrees Celsius. The ocean averages 10 degrees. An orca's metabolism is calibrated for cold water. Its massive body produces heat constantly. In cold ocean water, that heat dissipates naturally. But in warm river water, the orca is overheating. Its core temperature is climbing. The body responds by burning more energy to try to cool down. But here's the fatal equation. An orca needs 200 kilograms of fish per day. That's 160,000 calories every single day. In the ocean, it hunts salmon, seals, fish that swim in predictable patterns in clear water. But in the Amazon, the prey are river fish, piranhas, catfish, small, fast, impossible to detect with broken sonar. The orca hasn't eaten in 2 days. Its blubber reserves are being consumed. Muscle tissue is breaking down. The 8-ton body is cannibalizing itself. 60 hours, 36 hours remaining. The orca's electrical field just detected something massive, a black caiman, 5 meters long, 400 kilograms of muscle and armor. In the ocean, the orca has no competitors. It sits alone at the top of the food chain. But the Amazon belongs to reptiles, and this caiman has detected an injured giant invading its territory. The orca, weakened and disoriented, attempts to use its size as a threat. But reptiles don't understand mammal body language. The caiman sees a struggling, wounded animal. In the ocean, the orca's bite force of 19,000 newtons would crush bone. But this orca is malnourished, exhausted. Its muscles are operating at 40% capacity. The caiman's jaws can deliver 16,000 newtons of pressure. Its osteoderm armor makes it nearly impenetrable. This is not a fight the orca can win. For the first time in its evolutionary history, an orca retreats from a confrontation. The king of the ocean just backed down from a reptile. 72 hours, 24 hours remaining. The orca is in systemic failure. The osmotic damage is irreversible. Every organ is compromised. The kidneys have stopped filtering. Urea is building up in the bloodstream. The brain is swelling from waterlogged cells. The heart is struggling to pump blood that's too diluted. Sodium levels have dropped to critical levels. Muscle contractions are becoming erratic. 96 hours in the Amazon River. The timer reaches 0. The orca's heart stops beating. One of the most intelligent predators on Earth. A mammal that hunts in coordinated packs. An apex predator that has no natural enemies in the ocean. Dead in 4 days in a river. After analyzing the data on osmotic pressure, thermoregulation, sensory biology, and ecological competition, the verdict is clear. Can an orca survive in the Amazon River? No. Biology is not negotiable. An orca's cells are calibrated for salt water. Without salt, the osmotic balance collapses. Without cold water, the metabolism burns out. Without clear water, the sonar fails. The orca evolved for 50 million years to dominate the ocean. Every adaptation is perfect for that environment. But those same adaptations become fatal weaknesses in fresh water. Nature doesn't punish the stranger for being powerful. It punishes the stranger for being specialized. The orca in the Amazon, the polar bear in the jungle, the shark in the river. Each simulation teaches the same lesson. Every living being is a perfect piece of a geographical puzzle. Move the piece, and the picture collapses. Now it's your turn. Which animal should I simulate next? Write in the comments the animal, the habitat, and why you think it would die or survive. The most voted comment becomes the next episode. Subscribe. The next extreme simulation is coming. This is Habitat X, where geography is just a suggestion, and biology is our testing ground. Thanks for watching.